Hey everybody, Mike Sullivan with Born to Shine. We're supporting K-5 kids with their emotional and mental well-being, and I'm blessed and grateful to be here today with West Fresno in Fresno, California. And we just supported their K-5 students with their SEL skills, social emotional learning, so they can build up their self-esteem, reduce that anxiety, reduce any depression or feelings of sadness or overwhelm, and boost up their self-confidence. And not only to be kind to themselves, but to be kind to each other. And now we're supporting the whole school and the whole community. So the reason I do this is because when I was in 3rd grade, I was severely bullied to the point of having horrible anxiety and depression, and I struggled with OCD and ADD, and no one knew how to work with someone like me. And all the recent studies show that K-5 kids are really struggling internally. So this is not a job for me, this is my divine purpose. I want to support your kids, build them up so they can become success stories. And that's why I do what I do. So thanks West Fresno for having me, and yeah, this was just a great experience. And if there's any other superintendents or principals or vice principals that want to bring Born to Shine to your school, you can email me at mike@borntoshine.today, and would love to talk with you.